Hi guys, I'm a rusted on umbraphile and this is my eclipse clock. An umbraphile is a person who will go anywhere in the world chasing total solar eclipses. Well, almost anywhere in the world. Antarctica can be a bit challenging to get to if there are eclipses down there. Anyway, this eclipse clock takes the worry about trying to remember exactly when totality begins and ends. It counts down the number of minutes and seconds until totality starts, and then it counts down the number of seconds and minutes remaining during totality. It's based on a Raspberry Pi Zero running some Python script, and it's just powered by a USB battery bank there in the background. So once we look up what time totality begins locally, we work out when we want to start our countdown timer. So let's say we want to start 50 minutes precisely before totality, and let's say totality lasts for 3 minutes and 47 seconds, whatever it is for this particular eclipse. So we dial in 50 minutes on our little knob on the top here, and we lock that in by giving one press, and then we dial in the duration of totality for wherever we're located. What did we say? 3 minutes. Lock that in, and 47 seconds. There we are. So when we press that knob again, it'll start counting down the minutes and seconds from exactly 50 minutes before totality begins. So let's start that. So there we are. It's now 49 minutes and 56 seconds before totality. When it gets down to the last 10 seconds, it'll beep down the last 10 seconds until totality begins. So let's fast forward and show you that. So here we are, about 50 minutes later, a little bit less, and we're only 15 seconds from the beginning of the total phase of the eclipse. We're getting beeps on the last 10 seconds to remind us that totality is about to begin. Totality begins now, and then it automatically starts counting down how many minutes and seconds there are left of the total phase of the eclipse. So let's fast forward again to the last few seconds of the total phase. So here we are, we've fast forwarded during the total phase of the eclipse, and there's only 20 seconds to go before totality finishes and the sun comes back. So it'll give us a bipped countdown from 10 seconds. And that's it, totality is now finished. That's our little eclipse clock. Thanks for watching.